To fix a Kenmore refrigerator that's not cooling, there are several potential issues to consider. Firstly, dirty condenser coils can impede the cooling efficiency of the refrigerator. These coils are usually located underneath the refrigerator and can be cleaned with a vacuum or a brush if they're dirty. Another possible issue is incorrect temperature settings. If the thermostat is not set to the ideal temperature, the refrigerator might not be cooling properly. The ideal temperature is between 30 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, damaged or worn-out door seals can cause cold air to escape from the refrigerator. To fix this, inspect the door seals for any cracks or gaps, and replace them if necessary. By cleaning the condenser coils, checking the thermostat settings, and inspecting the door seals, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Kenmore refrigerator.